Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for joining me here at RJ's Cave today. Today, I think we need to talk about practice, guys. I know it's not an easy topic, but as beginners and people thinking about even just starting on this journey, it's something we need to talk about because if you don't go at it the right way, it makes things more difficult. Okay. Before we get into it, though, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, alright? Because when you do that, you'll get messages whenever we drop a new video, and hopefully YouTube gets the message and puts our videos out in front of more people, right? So, okay, so, alright, practice. Let's do this, guys. I know, tough one, right? So, alright. Here's the deal. We go into this as people with very limited information and very creative minds, okay, that take that little bit of information and they turn it into a bigger thing and until it becomes something that is beyond us or seems like it's beyond us, okay? We can't get to that point. We can't get sucked into that because then we don't do anything. Then we sit there and go, "Oh no, this isn't for me. I can't do that." And that can't happen, okay? Because that sucks. Trust me. Anyway, so we got to go into this and get a decent guitar, get a decent amp, get a decent teacher, get on a decent path. Okay? We got to set goals, right? Get on a decent path by just committing to a teacher. Because when you commit to a teacher, then you're going to be paying up front. Okay? Right, teachers want to know that you're going to come back for a little while, so they make you pay up front. They're trying to get you, and believe it or not, it's as much for you as it is for them because they want to make sure that you're going to be committed to your journey, okay? As much as them being needing to know that they got steady cash flow, okay? So you're going to be going every week, and they're going to ask you to do so much every week. They're also going to be asking you to practice about an hour a day, okay? And that's actually an hour and 15 minutes. All right, because warm-up time has got to be separate from practice, right? In order for your practice to be the most efficient hour, you need to do an hour of actual practice. So most of them will tell you that. Okay, so but don't let that sway you or get you nervous. All right, it's really not that much when you think about 1 hour out of a 24-hour day, right? You spend 8 hours at work. An hour change each way. Yeah, relax. You want to relax after dinner, before the TV shows come on. You sit down, you practice, right? You relax and you practice. And then before you know it, your shows are coming on, and you still got the guitar in your lap. Okay, and we're going to get to what happens with that later. So, if you do your hour, okay, every day, you will get somewhere. All right? It's the pace is different for everybody. Different people come into things with different levels of natural dexterity and confidence and all the little things that make up our ability to learn fast and pick things up fast. You know what I mean? So the path's gonna be a little different for everybody, the pace, but you'll get there. Okay, but you got to think of that hour as something other than work. Okay. This can't be work. All right. This needs to be something that is going to be fun. So you need to find the positive in this at all times. Okay. So me, that's peace, calm. You know, getting away from the things that stress me for an hour, and so it's part of a little world I get into to play the guitar. Okay. So that's for me how I got into enjoying doing that hour. Okay. If you want to do anything though, you're gonna and be any good really at a good pace. You want to get good at a good pace. You're probably gonna end up doing more than an hour a day. Okay. It may not be every day, whatever. It's not your mandatory work. Okay. We're talking about time that you decide you want to spend because you're enjoying doing what you're doing, and you're gonna look for new ways to add it to your day. Okay. And Remember what I was saying earlier about the sitting on the couch because you did that hour after dinner, say while the news was on or whatever, and it's 7:30. Show starts at 9 or 8, whatever. So, well, let's just say you're done with practice by 8 o'clock and your shows are starting. So now, how do you continue to practice? Even though your hour's up, you want to continue. How do you practice if you want to watch your shows? Well, you can do it together. Okay, that's what I do. I sit down in front of the TV with the guitar in my lap because you see, live TV is actually fairly well set up for practice because these aren't made of steel. These don't go forever. They're not Energizer bunnies. Okay, so you're gonna have. They get tired. They get cramped. Right. So you're sitting there on a commercial break. You got an exercise to do that's going to be building up your dexterity and your picking hand and all that. So do it on the break, right? And what's going to happen is after 4 or 5 minutes of that, your hand's going to be a little tired, and you're going to need to take a break from that. And suddenly, there you go, your TV show's on. You got 6 to 7 minutes of TV. Okay, so you can actually get the whole night with the guitar on your lap, and it doesn't even really feel like you actually spent a whole lot of time playing the guitar. But you've actually had a fairly structured practice because when you consider the way the way our brains normally work, we really can't do things for super long stretches of time without changing a little bit up to keep things fresh. So after about 10 minutes of doing a repetitive thing, your brain is going to want to do something else. And it's going to start looking for it on its own after a while. And you're going to end up, whether you want to or not, doing something else. Okay? That's not practice. You know what I mean? You're going to be noodling up and down or just doing something that isn't what you currently want to work on. And that's not practice. Right? So, by doing it in front of the TV, you're getting that break and you're giving your brain some entertainment at the same time. So it kills two birds with one stone. Okay. So that's it. I was kind of rolling there, guys. So I hope I wasn't too fast. So just you got this, okay? Take your time. Don't feel bad about how long things take. If you have to break things down to small bites, break them down to small bites. Set goals for yourself, okay? Actually, this is now something I think I didn't really mention. So, by setting goals for yourself, even if they're small, tiny things, you will know that you're making progress, okay? If you do the one good way of setting goals is songs, okay? I'm a big old school Metallica fan, so let's use them, okay? They have a song called Master of Puppets. It's one of the most difficult songs that they ever wrote. That could be a high song for you, a high difficulty song, a high plateau, right? Now they also have a song called "Enter Sandman," which is fairly simple in its structure and its breakdowns and all that. So that would be something that you could learn within your first year of playing, probably less if you put in any work. You know, probably 3 to 6 months even. Okay. So, and that could be another more easily attainable goal. Okay. And these things keep you interested and keep you motivated when things get tough. Okay. So definitely, guys, you can get all this. You can do this. It is not a monster to be slain. It is something that becomes a life path. Okay, if you want it to be, because there's enough for you to explore in music to last you the rest of your life, and it's not about beating something or winning something or anything like that. It's just a path. It's just, and you walk that path however fast you want. Okay. Just don't rush. Find your pace and then stay at that pace. Be comfortable with that pace, because that's going to get you everything you want. It's just, you just got to be patient. Alright? I hope this has helped, guys. I hope I haven't rambled too much. I hope I haven't like wandered, or anything. I try not to edit these things. I try to do them until I get them right. And so I hope you'll stick around. I hope you'll hit the like button on this one. I hope you'll subscribe and hit the notification bell, right? Don't forget, you'll get the messages, and hopefully YouTube does too. So it would be a help to the channel, and hopefully by helping the channel, we can help you in return, right? This is RJ's Cave, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, when you make music, you make magic. So go make music so you can make magic, okay? I'll see you around.